the condensed glue gels again. Maybe with this one we should do the Easter eggs. Maybe it's gonna be Easter eggs. So if you Easter eggs, I'm gonna using the triple thicks condensed glue gels. Really thick. So what I am going to do, we're gonna using the dot 2, and I'm gonna get the amount of the Easter about the same size as the Easter eggs. This is gonna be like a big nails right in the middle. I mean, not the big nail, big crystals placement. So what is the big nails? All right, and then make sure you're getting your top coat on, and with the extra thicks condensed glue gels, we are going to cure it a little bit longer, like 2 minutes, because if you're using the bigger amount. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. Oh, hey Dom, how are you? From Facebook. I am, oh, this one is nice. I'm hunting eggs right now. Oh my gosh, I really want a bigger one. Oh, this one is cute too. Just the cutest flowers. This one is cute too. I want a purple one. So I'm gonna do purple one. Oh my god, I want this one too, but it's like looks matching with the base. The purple one. I want a different one. You can tell that I have so much fun right here, huh? Like, oh my gosh, just like I just opened the box and it's just like everybody else. It's like, oh my god, it's so exciting. Oh, this one is cool. I want that one. That's nice. With the rocks, whatever it is. I want a big one. See, anybody related, like the same thing on how I open it. This one looks cute though. Should I do this one? Okay, let me do this one. Ah, looks good. You know what? And then you can adjusting it. You can do it closer to the cuticle or on the diagonals, however you would like. I am going to pick up some of others, like a smaller crystal right here on the side to fill it in. Let's have a filler in. Like that one. That's one. Then we can continue. Add it more as you prefer. Looks good. Happy with this? We're going to cure. Flash cure first for 30 seconds, and then we're gonna using some crystal on it. Right there. Okay, so then we're gonna cure this one for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna using, then after that, if you want to stop right there, or if you want any more crystals just around, and then we're gonna add just a little bit of condensed glue gels. And then we're gonna double secure and then seal, and also encap the, remember that we did this one at the fine eye sheet. Now I'm gonna do the coating on, which is the condensed glue gels. You're not gonna doing a coating on the top of the crystal. You are going to being around, because we're gonna add some of the element in there. Okay. And then don't forget to add in, you know, wipe top coat.
Oh, that's cute.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's a lot of going on, but I like it. Haha, why you are laughing? You're funny. Excited.
Yes.
He's like, oh my god, I gone for 2 minutes and come back. She got so much crystal on.
Yep, short nail, long nail, you will all.
Look at what I got in the back.
Oh, that's cute.
Wow, she can't. Well, maybe
no,
we should
wow.
do on the next one.
Next
this one.
one. Yeah,
Okay,
that
next
was-
one. Next one. Okay, stay
This
tuned
one
with
you
me
gotta
in the next
bring
one. I said, oh, I got this. You know, I get really excited, and also I got a little
Wow,
bit of.
hey, I like the Pixie too.
I'm gonna do it some. You like a Pixie too?
Mm-hmm.
This Pixie is cute and easy though.
Nice and simple. And look like a lot.
Oh my god, I should stop right here because they're so cute though.
You
Do you think?
Yes. Stay right there.
I just ate one and I said, oh, okay, here one more. It's maybe.
Yep, just one more. And then another one. And then 10 years later.
You're so right. I just add a couple more. And then the beads, that's all. That's all. You will never go wrong with this. The collectible. I'm really cool and excited and kind of lucky like getting this. But then, like, it's gonna be so cool. A lot of you will gain so many different elements in there. So I'm so excited. And I'm looking forward to see your unboxing too, because you're like, oh my goodness. If you got something you don't want, you can trade with me. I will take yours and you can take mine. All right. It's a lot of going on. So I think it looks really good in person. I'm not sure in your end, but my end is so sparkling. So before I'm keying, I'm gonna using the precision glue gel. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. I'm gonna pick up the tiny little beads. Let me see if I get. I saw the few beads here that I want to get. Maybe I should put the big pearl on it. You think?
Mm-hmm. It worked.
If I can pick the pearl. Hold on.
There you go.
I can pick this one.
Mm-hmm.
All right, in the center. And now we are going to gear.